हेलो गाइस, हाउ आर यू? गुड मॉर्निंग। मैं हूं आपका दोस्त बहादुर एंड टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न हाउ टू क्रिएट AWS अकाउंट। सर देखिए, बिना AWS अकाउंट के आप क्लाउड में प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर सकते, तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना एक ऐसी सीरीज़ बनाई जाए, छोटी सी वीडियो बनाई जाए जिसके अंदर हम आपको बताएंगे कि AWS अकाउंट कैसे स्ट्रेस फॉरवर्ड बनाया जाता है और कौन सी प्रॉब्लम्स लोग जनरली फेस करते हैं जब वो AWS अकाउंट क्रिएट करते हैं। तो आज हम उन कार्ड्स की इंफॉर्मेशन के बारे में भी बात करेंगे। So let's get it started. So hope you all are able to see my screen and let's get it started. Okay. So, yeah. So where is the Chrome? AWS. So आपको क्या करना है, अकाउंट क्रिएट करने के लिए you have to first need one browser. Within the browser you have to navigate to the AWS sign up account. AWS sign up, right? Sign up, right? Oh shit, there is no internet, guys. We need to add internet. Let me check. My internet is not running. Why? Okay. The Wi-Fi is not on. Okay, so we need to turn on my Wi-Fi so that we can practice how to create the account. Okay, so meanwhile it get started. Okay. So we have to sign up first. एंड गाइस देखो, मैं आपको कुछ बातें बताता हूँ। क्यों? देखो, आपको जो प्री रिक्वाइजिट है AWS क्लाउड सीखने के लिए, उसमें से पहली जो है वो आपको ज़रूरत होगी कि आपके पास एक AWS अकाउंट हो। एंड उस AWS अकाउंट बनाने के लिए आपके पास एक कार्ड होना चाहिए और एक PC होना चाहिए, राइट? PC हो चलेगा, फ़ोन पे प्रैक्टिस नहीं होती है तो PC आई रिकमेंडेड यू शुड हैव इधर लैपटॉप और PC। ओके, सो ये कहते हैं कि स्टार्ट विथ $100 इन AWS क्रेडिट एंड प्लस अर्न $100 बाय कंप्लीटिंग द वेरियस एक्टिविटीज, राइट? मतलब ये है कि आप इस पे जब AWS अकाउंट बनाएंगे तो $100 दे विल गिव यू फ्री, राइट? एंड $100 यू विल get basically they will allow us to get the basically discount. Not we cannot get discount, this is for rewards we can show, right? So the reward you will get by doing some activities. Okay, so that's why they are calling $100. They will first they will credit in your account when you create your account with the new email and new card, right? So first thing you have to need, that is one Gmail account, right? I'll let me show how to create a new Gmail account. Already you have used, I am assuming you have already used your current Gmail account. Now you need another Gmail account. So for that you have to go to your Gmail account, right? From the Gmail you need to create another account, right? This is my account, guys. I want to create another account, right? Add another account, and from here you have to create an account, right? So you create one your account, right? Here you need to give your Gmail account name, like I am giving the X, the surname is also X, Mr. X, right? So like that we have the surname, we have the name. So here you need to give the date, here you give the month, year. So this is very straightforward process, you can do it yourself, it is not very complex, right? So like that you have to give the whatever information it will ask, those information you have to give, and you have to press next. That's your Gmail account will be ready, right? And it will it may ask you an OTP. That OTP will be you will get on your parent account, right? So that thing you can do yourself. होप इतनी तो मैं आपसे उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप लोग कर लेंगे, ठीक है? सो देखिए, सो हमारे पास अब जीमेल अकाउंट है। नाउ वी नीड टू क्रिएट वन AWS अकाउंट. So first we have to come to the AWS sign up account, right? Here you will to register one new account, right? So यहाँ पे आपको रजिस्टर करने के लिए क्या करना होगा, आपको यहाँ पे आपको रूट यूज़र ईमेल डालना होगा. देन ओके, दिस इज uh, right? So you have to enter one root email. For example, I am using in DevOps. Okay, let me use this email, and let me give any name. Right, you can give your name. Okay, basically you can give your name here, and I am creating my account, so I'm creating my email account. Right, I'm giving my name. Okay, so by the way, we can give here Cloudwings. Okay, let's click on verify. Right, you will get one verification code on my email. I will get, and definitely we will get one verification code. Right, that verification code we have to take from here, and we need to paste that from there. Right, so I am having that code. Yeah, here is the code that we are getting from here. And what message I'm getting? The sign up you account. This actually the email signifies already associated with AWS account, right? That's why I'm not getting the email, right? सो क्या हुआ कि गाइस मेरा ये जो ईमेल आईडी है वो ऑलरेडी मैंने इससे अकाउंट क्रिएट किया हुआ है, तो इस ईमेल पे मेरे को वो वेरिफिकेशन कोड नहीं आ रहा है. So let me try with another new one. Okay, so let me go with another new one. So it is taking time like 19-18 second is running. The countdown is running. When the countdown will be finished, that it will automatically stop and will ask me to resend the code. Right, so let me go with this is not I am, so I am this is not my account. That's why he was asking me, are you really this one? So I told his this is not me. So what here, now I have the another email that I have created. So let me use that email. Okay, so what was that email? And Shifa. Alright, so let me cross check the email ID, and show me where is the Shifa. Okay, there is no Shifa DevOps. Yeah, I will use this email. I didn't use this before it. Shifa DevOps. Okay, alright, let me see the is it really matching or not. Shifa info.devops info.shifa devops, right, at gmail.com. info.shifa devops dot at gmail.com. Yeah, this is correct. Let me give it name that as Cloudwings. I'm giving my name. You can give your name. Okay, or any name you will give, that will be fine. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, let me press that. Now it will again give me a verification code. So we have to log in from that email. From that email we will get that email, right? So yeah, we have the this is verification code, right? So guys, if you are having if you not if you are not getting this code, that means your email account that you are using already has associated with some account of the AWS. That is what the reason you will we I'm not also getting that error, the verification code, right? So now we have, by the way, we have now the code. Let me verify that. The moment I will verify, it will give me the root user password and email, right? So like that, we need to give the root user password and confirm password. We can give any password you can give, but password should be the strong. What their criteria, their criteria is like one uppercase, lowercase, a number and non-numerical value we can give to the our password, right? So this is how you can give the password, and you can give the right. So let me give the root user password. I will give my password should be stronger, guys. Okay, password should be stronger. Actually, my mouse is lost, that's why I'm doing on the laptop. So the key mouse pad is, laptop pad is very difficult to move the fingers on that, so that's why I'm doing the slow typing. So don't mind my dear friends, so you can give your password. I'm giving my password. Here it will ask you confirm if the match or no. You can see your password. I'm not going to see my password because I don't want to share my password with you guys. Okay, so let me continue, and it will ask me you right. So like that, you are going to create your AWS account, right? So with this email I'm going to create the account. Now it will ask me, are you, now it will ask you the free, right? Sign up for AWS, choose your account plan, right? So which type of account you are going to get, right? So you can go, so earlier AWS will give this AWS account there for 1 year, and $200 they will give, they used to credit into the account. But now the recently in 2025 they have changed their rules. They are giving the account only for 6 months, right? With $200, right? So you will get 200 free credit dollars, right, in your account. That will be around 20,000 from in Indian rupees, right? 20,000 rupees in Indian, right? That will be enough for you guys. How much practice, that much practice you can do, right? So here you can also go with pay as you go pricing, right? Right, you can, right? The interesting thing is they will not charge until you enable the pay as you go, right, pricing. All right, so bindas, right? Do your practice, be bindas, be your practice without hesitating, right? Use AWS services, practice daily 1 to 2 services, and you will get very strong fundamental knowledge, right? So here they are showing what they are giving with the free plan of the 6 month, and what they are giving with the paid plan of, right, with pay as you grow pricing model. That's enough, right? So we have the receiving up to $200 in credit, and includes free users and selected services. Workload scale beyond the credit and threshold, right? Access to all AWS services and features. So by the way, you are as a beginner, so you should go with, choose a free plan, right? Right, we will go with the free plan now. Guys, this is very important part that uh, I I was talking about that, right? This is, if you are done this part, then you will complete your AWS account setup, right? So here the main thing, they will ask you about your country code, your name, your business work skills, and like that. So some kind of information you have to give. Let me give for with personal use, and my name is, let me give something name, some name, and I would like to change this name to the Cloudwings. Cloud, we are going to change the Cloudwings, and instead you, where you stay, right? I am in India, so I will select the India. Okay, so and rest of the things are match belongs to me, so I will keep them as same, and we need to check this box, then we need to click on agree, right? So I will not interested to say that. So the phone number provided is not valid to content the validation character, so this is not valid, right? So we need to select it from here India, right? Because this is not other countries, this is phone number is belongs to the India, right? That's why they are saying the contact number you are giving is not matching. Now it would be ask you to your UPI auto pay and credit debit card, right? So guys, you can set up your account with either with the UPI auto pay or credit card, right? It's totally up to you with with which method you want to go, right? If either you can go with UPI with auto pay and credit and debit card, it's totally up to you guys. Okay, then UPI auto pay information. So this is the part which is very important. You can enter your UPI ID, right guys? UPI ID, like if you open your phone pay, you will see the your UPI ID with, like, generally it comes like your contact number and at the rate and whatever your bank, that some three character codes will be there, so that we call the UPI card, right? So like let me show one, like my UPI ID, right? This is what my UPI ID, something ID you will see on your phone pay. You go to your phone pay application, scroll up and you will see somewhere this ID, right? So like you have to enter and it will ask you to, and it will give you a notification and will ask you to how you want to enable auto pay or not, right? At that time you have to enter your phone pay pin, and that pin may deduct 2 rupees from your account and will debit, will credit again to revert back to you. Okay, so don't worry about that. Okay, so once you have completed that step, this step, then you will get one free account. Another method is using the credit and debit card, right? So here the strict rule, rupee card will not work. Okay, rupee card will not work. You have to Visa card, Mastercard, debit card, credit card. Within the debit and credit card, the Mastercard and Visa card, right, will be work, correct? So this is very important point, so don't forget about this. Okay, so here you need to enter your card details, right? Whatever your expiration date, security code, and whatever the card holder names. Card holder name should be save as on your card, right? It should not different from there, otherwise your account will be not cleared, that they will not allow you to deduct your money. And one thing, your PAN card should be linked with your account, right? So guys, believe me, whatever I'm teaching you, whatever I'm telling you, these things nobody will tell you, right? So believe me, whatever I'm teaching you, it's great and it's very worthy things, right? So please keep these things in your mind. If whenever you learn, whenever you create these account, whenever you create an account, you need to keep these information in your mind. Okay, right? So you like this, you have to give your entire information, then you have to verify and you will get your account. Like how would your account will be look, right? So hope you will be have your account now. And let me show this my account, how this is looks like. So this is what my account. Okay, so guys, I'm showing, definitely I'm showing my root user account. And okay, complete your account setup. Actually my account has deleted, free account plan has limitations. So let me show what is happening with my account. I don't know about this complete your account registrations. Okay, I think my account has deleted, right? Deactivated automatically. I don't know why they done this. Okay, so I don't know. Okay, so this is my AWS account is not working now. Let me try with AWS login. Maybe here my account will be ready. Okay guys, don't worry, I will create my account and I'll get back to you and show you the other services of the AWS account. So by the way, currently we are working on Azure cloud as well, so I'm having the Azure accounts, right? But now first we will complete our AWS series, then we will go Azure series, or maybe I may start Azure with AWS parallel and parallel with the Linux. So if you watch my videos continuously with me, then definitely you will be master on AWS or any other cloud technologies. So hope you guys you are liking these videos, and if you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe, and if possible share this video with your friends so that they will get also that benefit, they will get the benefits from these videos. Okay guys, thank you, bye.